In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML and JavaScript in new Google Sites. If you want to add custom content to your Google site, like a widget, a simple interactive tool, or a piece of HTML with JavaScript, Google Sites gives you a built-in way to do that through the embed feature. The process is straightforward, and once you know where to click, it only takes a minute. First, open your Google site and go to the page where you want the embedded content to appear. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can actually insert new elements onto the page. It helps to have your code ready beforehand because in a moment, you'll be pasting it directly into the embed window. Once you're inside the site editor, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This is where the main insert options live. In that panel, click on embed. This is the option Google Sites uses for bringing in custom code or content from outside sources. If you've never used it before, think of it as the bridge between your site and the code you want to display. After that, choose embed code. Google Sites usually gives you more than one embed method, but for HTML and JavaScript, this is the one you want. Selecting this option opens a field where you can paste your code directly. This is especially useful when you already have a snippet prepared and just want to place it into the page without linking out to another source. Now paste your code into the box. Be careful to paste only the code you actually want to use, and double check that there isn't any private or unnecessary information included in it. If your HTML and JavaScript are meant to work together, make sure the full snippet is included so Google Sites can preview it properly. This step is important because what you paste here determines exactly what will be embedded on the page. Once your code is in place, click Next. This lets Google Sites process the code and prepare the embed for insertion. Typically, you'll see a preview or confirmation screen after this, which helps you verify that the content looks right before placing it onto your site. If something doesn't appear the way you expect, it's often worth going back and checking the pasted code for formatting issues. And that's it. That's how you embed HTML and JavaScript in new Google Sites. Take your time when pasting and reviewing the code, and you'll have a much smoother setup experience.